Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at busyjoyhustle.com. So today I'll be showing you the best inch to start blogging in 20. And during the duration of this training, we'll be discussing what are inch, types of inch, how to choose the right inch, best inch, then the last but not the least is how to start inch blogging. So do well to watch this video to an end because at the end of this video, I'll be listing out 15 best inches to start your blogging in 2022. Then let me know on the comment section the current challenge you are fixing now in your blogging career. Then, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. So let's move over to my screen and get started. Okay, so welcome back. What is inch? Inch is just an area or category or what you want to blog about. And there are so many examples of inch. Like we have football, we have sports inch, then we have business, we have finance, we have a whole lot of them. So it's just an area or a category which you intend blogging about. It's not the big word like that. So the next is what are the types of inch? Although we don't have types of inch per se, but we have like categories or hierarchies of inch. So we have inch. After inch, then we have what they call sub inch. Then we have a micro inch. Let me give you an example. So we have like example of an inch is sports per se. Then after sports, example of a sub inch inside that sports is we have football, we have basketball, we have hockey, we have handball, and so many of them. Then, example of a micro inch inside the sports. Let's take for instance football. We can be talking about Manchester United. We can be talking about any football club, and so many things within that football. This is because those parts, those micro inch, they have already targeted audience. They have people who are interested in anything that you write about. Instead of going wide, we intend going what narrow because those people they have their audiences, they have their already audience, they have their audiences ready that will engage with any article that you blog about. So after that, we will now move on to so the next to go about is how do you choose the right inch for your blog? This question is personal, sincerely speaking, because what I like doing might not be what you like doing. So this also boils down to what you like, and there are some questions that you need to ask yourself. So the first and foremost is what am I passionate about? What do I like doing? The things that I love doing without ease. That I love blogging. That I love football. So you can decide to go into football blogging. That you love dancing. You can just go to dancing, writing article about dancing, uploading video about dancing. Then the second on it is experience. Are you experienced on that particular topic? Do you have any knowledge about that particular topic that you want to blog about? So always make your research. Don't just start because you think that this particular blog you like it or you that people are blogging about that and you jump in and start blogging about that. No, it's more something that you have experience in so that you don't run out of ideas, don't run out of something to put on. So that's why you must have experience on that. Then the third is this something that people like? Because if you start blogging or start putting up content that people don't like, you find out that you'll be having less engagement and people will not likely visit your blog. So, but you put on something that people like, by the end of the day, you see so much engagement. And there is a saying that says that audience is the key. Once you are on the internet atmosphere, audience is always the key. The aim is to get audience because when you have those audience, you will see that you start making those, you will start converting those audience to cash. So you must put up something that people like, that your audience are interested about, and there are a whole lot of tools out there that you can use to find out whether people are searching about this, whether people are interested in this. You can use Google Keyword Planner. We can use Google Trends. I've made a well detailed video on how to use all those tools. I'll be making them available on the description below. So the next, still on that effect on how to choose the right inch for your blog. So we'll be talking about what are the factors that you consider before choosing those blog, because you know that there are so many inch, there are so many blog inch that you can choose, but there are so many factors that you need to consider before choosing any of these. So and the one of these factor is the cost. What is the cost of blogging? What is the cost of blogging in that particular inch? That I'm blogging on sports and somebody is blogging on finance, somebody is blogging on business, the cost varies. You understand? Maybe the cost of targeting your audience, because you must have a plan. How do you reach it to your audience? Do you have already prepared audience? Maybe you have a Facebook group for people that are interested in sports. Maybe you have a Facebook group for people that are interested in business or finance. You have a YouTube channel. If you don't have those kind of audience already prepared, that means you need to have a way to target those people. You might use Facebook ad, you may use promotion or any online promotion, and this they have different costs of targeting those particular audience. Then we also talk about the cost of setting up that particular blog, the cost of acquiring a domain name, the cost of buying a team, the cost of hosting and all that. So you must consider the cost of what running that particular blog. Then the second to consider about is the effectiveness. How effective is that inch? Are people really engaged? Are people really searching about that particular topic they want to blog about? Are people still engaging with that? How effective is that? So you still consider that, and you can still use your Google Trend to know whether this particular topic or this particular inch is effective. So, like in football, in sports, like blogging about any football fans, that particular aspect of blogging is always effective year in, year out, unless when there is no match or or during breaks. So after that, except out of seasons. So, but apart from that, that micro inch is always effective, because you see people, you see engagement, you see people that are passionate about their club, they love their club. So any content that you put online regarding their club, they would like to go and be updated. So you see those kind of they are they are very effective. So that's what effective is all about. How engaged are your audience? How effective are your audience to search or to read your content? So apart from that, you still look about your what audience, your what targeted audience. Who are your targeted audience? So you also do this research, know where your audience are. What are your audience doing online? So once you get this information, then when you publish a post, you know who to target and when to target them. Because even in Facebook, you can go and search on Facebook group and see the groups that are related to your what particular inch. You can join those groups, start promoting your content on those groups. Or you can even do Facebook promotion and other online promotion to target those your audience if they are not within your reach. So the last factor to consider is the profitability. How profitable is this particular inch? Although we say that sports and football club is effective in the sense that they have passionate audience to read about their article. But in terms of profitability, business, finance all rank higher than those football, because when you talk about their fans are willing to read your article, they are willing to engage with their article. But what about advertisers, people that run ads on Google and other network companies? Do they spend much on targeting those audience? No. So advertisers will spend more money in scholarship, we spend more money in finance, we spend more money in business, because they know that people that are reading those articles are business owners, they are big men. Do you understand? So advertisers will spend more money. That's why the CPC of those particular inch they are very high. Maybe we'll be getting less views, but we'll be getting more money. But in terms of sports, the reverse is the case. You'll be getting more views, you'll be getting more engagement, but the money will be less. But that does not withstand that you will be making money. Football, sports, there are a lot of money there, but you cannot compare that. You cannot compare that to finance and scholarship. Do you understand? So these are profitability. So you still weigh things like that. So profitability, you still put that into consideration before beginning your blog. Then the next is, what are those inch? What are the best inch to blog? So I'll be showing you a slide of where I've made a 20 best profitable inch to start blogging in 2022. So let's me just show you the slides. Then after, then we'll be discussing how to start inch blogging. So how do we start inch blogging? Starting inch blogging is the same as starting any other form of blogging. So the first thing is to choose your inch. After considering all the factors, then you have choose your inch. Then you choose a blog name. You buy a domain name and hosting. I'll be dropping the link on the description on one of the best and the most cheapest name domain name registrar. So I'll drop in the link. Once you use that particular link to buy domain name and hosting, they'll be giving you a discount. So make sure to use that particular link to buy your domain name and hosting. So once you get your domain name and hosting, then you buy your theme. I'll also be dropping the link on the description on websites that you will use to buy those themes. Then you set up your blog, you design your blog. Then I'll be giving a discount. So if you don't know how to set up a blog, I can help you and set up your blog, design your blog very well. For if you don't have AdSense on your blog, I'll design a blog that will be eligible for AdSense. Then if you have AdSense, I will also design your blog, because there are so many factors that you consider when you want to design a blog. You consider the speed, most importantly, you consider the speed, so and the layout of that particular blog. Then once you have your blog, you start publishing your content. Once you start publishing your content, the last you to do is to promote your content. So that's all about inch blogging. So, and if you find this particular information useful, please do it to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also remember to subscribe to our channel at busyjournalism.com. Thanks for watching this video.